is so fascinating to see the high tides. Ocean getting desperate to touch the beauty of full moon and trying to touch it with its huge tides. While a Cancerian mood and emotions are just the same, high, low, and ever changing. Let's explore the Cancerian a little more. Cancer is a cardinal sign. Its element is water. Its ruling planet is moon. Cancerian astrological sign indicates it to be like a crab. A Cancerian loves jokes. He laughs in real and crazy sense. He generally seems to be in a party mood, and the funniest one at the party floor. But his laughter is deep and genuine, and never artificial. Cancerians don't run behind fame, publicity, or limelight, but secretly they enjoy the attention and look for appreciation. Cancerians often get into a depressed mood because of his strange, unidentified fears, which he tries to hide with his humor. Cancerian is a dreamy and imaginative kind of person. He has true emotions, but his vulnerable feelings might get hurt with harsh comments or rude tone. His tears are real. His most obvious reaction will be complete withdrawal. He won't reply your calls and messages. Some Cancerians may decide to take revenge, but most of them prefer retreat and solitude. As Cancerian mood is ever changing, when he gets into a depressed mood, he hates life and everyone around. He might react rudely for small things, but soon he gets back to his sweet nature. Some Cancerians have a baby-like face. They usually have big shoulders and limbs. Teeth might be prominent and irregular. Some of them may be plump body. Cancerian face is very expressive. Their features are capable of playing hundreds of changing moods of a Cancerian person, who laugh wildly and then suddenly something makes him weep hopelessly. You show some pictures to a Cancerian, and if it gains the attention of him, you can see the very reflection of these pictures' mood on his expressive face. Cancerians never forget old lessons of life. He has a fascination for past and historical facts. Some Cancerians are habitual of collecting old antiques and treasures. A Cancerian is a highly intuitive person. You may tell him half of your secrets and he will guess the rest. He won't judge you, but he generally gathers the secrets of his friends. However, he do not like revealing his own personal life. If something is dear to a Cancerian, then he won't let it go easily. He will try his level best to get it. He never accepts defeat without struggle. A Cancerian has clear tactics to get what he wants. It's not easy to guess his motives because he never goes straight and directly. Rather, he chooses sideways. But if he realizes it may make him lose his prize, he goes straight forward and never let it go. A Cancerian has a soft and kind heart who is always ready to help the needy ones. But he do not prefer to be the quick and first one to help you. He waits for some other source to help. But eventually, if he realizes that he is only one left to take you out of your troubles, he is always there to help you. Cancerians are very careful in choosing a course of action or taking a move. He carefully counts the ifs and buts, make sure if his decision is safe and secure in every sense. Then only he takes the final step. This is the reason why Cancerian ventures are usually successful and executed with a finesse. Everyone loves their home, but no one adores it like a Cancerian. For him, his home is no less sacred than a temple. It is as dear to him as his loved ones. Cancerian emotions are often entangled with faraway fears and nightmares. He may get the one he loved. He may reach the position he longed for. What next? The fear of losing it. He gathers things for some imaginary flood or earthquake. He wants more money for the day he might become bankrupt. Cancerians love water tides. They love to spend leisure time near a source of water, like beaches or waterfall. They love boating and surfing as well. Cancerian health is dependent on his emotions. His worries and fears may take him to depression. Health-wise, his vulnerable areas are chest, knees, kidneys, skin and stomach. Too much stress may cause stomach ulcers. His most effective medicine is laughter, optimism and cheerfulness. Cancer is usually fond of gardening. He loves leaves, petals and Santa flowers. He usually owns a small or big garden. Just like plants, a Cancerian is aware of the art of planting and growing money. He is expert of it and seldom fails to grow it. But at the same time, He knows how to keep it safe and avoid extravagance. As any kind of security is dear to a Cancerian, food is one of them. He feels secure when all the containers in the kitchen are full for the month or more. He believes that everyone should get food in this world. Wasting food is a crime to a Cancerian. Cancerians crave for a steady partner. They need a partner who can understand their emotions without asking for it. They feel deeply and emotionally attached in love relationships. Best partners for a Cancerian are Scorpio and Pisces. Taurus and Virgo also proves to be great companions and friends. I hope you enjoyed my presentation. If you want to appreciate me, please like it, share it and subscribe it. And if you want to get notifications for my upcoming videos, please press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.